This is Irontrader. The pitch just closed here at 2:30. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. And remember, the API report will be out today at 4:30. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil here, daily chart. Now, wow, look at the nice big green candle that we had there today. Nice. Now what we want to do, and on the upside, is we want to watch this candle right here. Okay, 75.06. That is going to be big time resistance. So it needs to clear that. Okay, if it doesn't, then you can have a possible double top. Okay, because you see how this comes all the way across? So that's going to be the key level we want to watch, 75.06. Now, if we can get above that, then we look at this candle here. You're looking at 76.11. We have 76.69. We have 76.92. And then your big retest target here is going to be 77.40, and that's going to be your 200 SMA. Okay, now the only thing I don't like is you see how these are still on the way down. 200, the 100 SMA here. Okay, your 50 SMA here. So again, if we can have a price rally up here, maybe we can turn that and get them going on up. But what I do like is, see this 8 SMA here? See how it curled up? You're above the 21, above the 50-day, and look how nicely it's holding all the candles going all the way on up. So even if this were to come down, this is going to be key support level here to ride it right back up again, and that's your buying opportunity there, is that 8 SMA here. Now, your key support levels here are going to be this 8 SMA here at 71.98. And then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 71.30. We have your 21-day sitting at 70.62. Okay, those are going to be your key support levels if this 8 SMA is lost, or if it goes through and then put the bottoming tail going on up here. But right now, this is looking very, very bullish. And look at your RSI. You got plenty of room to run here. Your MACD is looking very good here. So overall, this is a good chart here. But watch this key level right here at 75.06. That's going to be key. So let's take a look here on the weekly here and your monthly. Okay, here's your monthly chart. Now you're nicely above this 200 SMA right there. Now the key is going to be, see this 8 SMA, 75.21. So far, when you look at this, it can't get through it. Yeah, it popped higher, but it can't close above it there for the month. So you want to watch that key 75.20. That's going to be key resistant level there. Now, again, if you can get above, then you got some nice targets up here. Okay, there's your 76.69 there. There's your, you have a high of 83.53, and then your big target there is going to be 85.15. Now, on your weekly chart here, I always point out this key 8 SMA and 21 SMA. Okay, so you couldn't get through. Now you're above, so now these can become support levels here. So you want to look at 73.84, and then you want to look here at 71.91. Those are going to be your key support levels, okay? So then on the upside there, here's that 75.06, and then there's your 76.69. And then we have your big target up here is 79.05. If you can get higher, then you have 83.53, and you have your 100 SMA here sitting there at 84.97. So you got a lot of nice targets on the upside here, and you got good support here now on your downside. So watch these key, the 21 and your 8 SMA here, okay, for your levels. All right, now let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here's natty gas here. You have an hourly chart and a 4-hour chart, okay? Well, basically you went sideways, you went up, you came on all the way down. But if you look here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and pow, there she goes, okay? So what you want to do now is watch the 2.748. That's going to be key resistant levels. If you can get above that, then there's your target here at 2.79. Now, this was always a really nice pattern because you're setting higher lows. Then you put a series of lower highs in here now. Now, you can see where you still have a lower high here unless this rallies up. And if it does, then you got all these price targets here that you can go up and work yourself right back up to 2.87, and that would be your breakout level. But let's just see how this all shakes out. So far, natty gas actually had a really good day. You're up there 7 cents on the natty gas. Boil was a real good trade there today for me. That's the ETF for the long, BOIL. So overall, good day. Let's take a look here on the old weekly chart. Okay, your weekly chart, you're pretty much all flatlined here for months here now. But we have to look at the top of that price channel, okay? 2.878 and the bottom 2.20. Okay, so that is very, very good support and very, very good resistance. Now, I always point out this 8 SMA, so now you can see the price is above that. So now that 8 SMA becomes support. So you want to look at 2.677. That's going to be key support. And then if you lost, then you're going to go down to 2.59. That is your 21-day. And then we have underneath that, you got 2.42. And then you have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.38. But your critical level is going to be this 8 SMA here and your 21 SMA. That should give you good support. Now, on the way up here, what do? You look at today's high, you got 2.748. Then we come up to this candle here. You got 2.79. We have 2.82. And then there's your big retest there at 2.87. Now, if you can get above this key price channel here at 2.87, this top of this candle, there's your target, 3.027. That's what you're going to be looking for, okay? So now you know where your downside is and you know where your upside. So let's take a look here at your weekly and a monthly. Okay, you look at a monthly chart here, everything is nice sideways action, but got to watch this key right there, 2.782. See, that is going to be very, very strong resistance. Obviously, if you can get through, then we look to your 100 SMA here, then you look at your 50, then you look at your 200 SMA, then your 21 right above that, okay? So that's what your targets will be. So your target will be, first one will be 3.25, then you got 3.68, and then we have your 200A sitting at 4.08. Okay, those would be your upside targets if, big if you can get above that 8 SMA and turn that around to go the other way. Now, here on your weekly chart here, your this is very bullish. Your 8-day here, 2.53 is above your 21. That's always a good positive sign, sitting at 2.41. So as long as it can hold that level and that 8-day doesn't come back around, then we got a good shot here at the top of that candle at 3.02, which is this candle right here. That is what you're going to be looking for. And an ultimate goal here is hitting this 3.75. 6 right here, that is your 200 SMA. Then obviously you can get above. Then we have right here 4.46 all the way on up. But let's not get excited here. This is going to be your target here on the upside at 3.027. All right, I will have more for you tomorrow here. Unless I got to be out of town here a couple of days here. So, but either way, I'll have something for you here, either in the morning or afternoon or something there for you. So thanks for watching.